this morning and oh my god, OMG. So let's go and unbox. So this is the box I received from African Queen Natural Hair Products. You can check their website out, you can email them, and you can find them on Instagram as well. You can also find them on Facebook. You can contact them through their WhatsApp, phone number, and office line. What's this? Rejuvenating African Beauty. Oh my god, I'm already in love with this. Thank you for purchasing. Thank you too. It came with a little handout here. Yeah, it came with a little handout. Okay, this handout is very good, especially for beginners, beginner friendly. Like it's super cool. Like, let's say provided you are new to natural hair and you don't know where, like, your whereabouts or what to go, you don't need to be reading the bottles for labels. It came with a cute handout, which is a check. So let's take our first product. As usual, shampoo is always first. This shampoo looks, wow, it looks hydrating. From the look, it looks hydrating. So this is the SHEA Hydrating. I said it. No, it smells good. It smells good. It smells like some kind of shower gel, like a high-class shower gel to be precise. The scent is very good. It's so good. It's very good. The best compliment anyone can give me is, you know, your hair smells good. So this is the conditioner, and when we say conditioner, this is the shampoo, which is a check from appearance. So this is their SHEA Hydrating Conditioner. Let's check out the scent. It smells good. It has this mild, classy scent. I don't know how to describe this fragrance, but the fragrance is amazing. So this is their SHEA Hydrating Conditioner, which is enriched in shea butter and neem extracts. So this is, oh my god, this is French. I can feel some amazing slip. My hair is gonna love this. That down. Okay, so our next product is the leave-in conditioner, which is also a SHEA Hydrating leave-in conditioner. It's very good. It also has a nice mild scent. This scent, it smells like perfume. No, it smells way than more. Kind of like a mixture of fragrance. I can't really tell which. All their fragrances are very nice and mild, to be precise. I like this fragrance. They are very, very mild. And they come in big sizes too. That is nice too. Okay, this is their SHEA Hydrating Hair Oil. It's a 3-in-1 hair oil. That is good.
Oh my god!
This doesn't smell like any regular kind of hair oil. I like the fragrance. It's very good. And finally, this is their SHEA Hydrating Hair Butter. I really like their packaging. So this is the SHEA Hydrating Hair Oil. Did I say hair oil?
Damn!
So this is the SHEA Hydrating Hair Butter for styling, braiding, twisting, shredding of hair. Sorry. This smells like cocoa butter. I like the scent. And hey, guess what? This product, it's lightweight. It's a lightweight butter. You know, usually people with low porosity hair don't like to use butter. For low porosity hair, I will highly recommend this to you, even though I haven't tried it yet, but the physical appearance shows a good result, and besides it's light. Just the lightness alone is okay. This is a lightweight butter and it's good. It's good. I can't wait to try this on my hair, even though I don't have low porosity. The feel is good. I want to try this on my hair. Okay, so with all these products, you can get them from African Queen Naturals. You can check out their page. I'll tag their page over here so that you can follow their page and see their product. Their products come in big size and small size, which is pocket friendly, so you choose which one you can get and get it. So I got the big sizes, so you can also go and get any size you prefer. You can decide to get the smaller size for a trial, and when you realize or when you see what I am seeing, you get a bigger size. I'll be reviewing this product on my channel, so if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification bell so that you don't miss the review of this product on my channel. What do you think? What is your impression about this product? Like, let me know in the comment section. Even if you haven't tried it before, just from the appearance and the unboxing process and everything, let me know in the comment section what you think this product will do to my hair. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the review of this product. I can't wait to try this product, but first, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this product. Please let me know, and subscribe to my channel.
Voice over time. Because I love my subscribers and followers so much, I have a special gift for all of you, so please stay tuned for the review of these products. Thank you.